Is Cashident really a way to potentially earn up to $1,253 per task you do, as it claims on its website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this platform, so I decided to take a closer look. And in this Cashident review, you'll get an inside look and learn about all the really important details you need to know before joining. So let's start by going over the basics of what Cashident says it is, and then we go over what it really offers. But as you can see, it says that you can get paid to watch videos, search, listen to music and more, and it's available worldwide. You don't need any experience, it also says, and you can earn up to $1,253 per offer, and basically just get fast payouts, and you don't need to invest anything or anything like that. So that sounds great, of course. I have tested hundreds of get paid to sites where you can join for free and earn by doing offers and tasks, and of course it sounds like a little bit exaggerated, but it could potentially be true. There could be offers like that, but I just decided to then give Cashident the benefit of the doubt and take an inside look. So let me now log in, and then we can see what you actually get as a member. So I am now inside the members area, and this is what is there. There really is not much. You can see there's just like these so-called tasks and you see what's a full 1 hour course, $10. You say like, okay, $10 per hour, is that worth it or not? That really depends, on your personal preferences, but at least it looks fairly like decent jobs. A lot of them, $15 per hour for searching on Google, $7.50 per song you listen to. Right now we're talking $8 for a 3-minute survey. It sounds great. Like I've taken thousands of online surveys, and I know like $8 for a 3-minute survey. Then, it's kind of a red flag because something seems a little bit off there. And in general, something seems off when I just look inside the members area here. But let's then look at one of these. Like, let's see, like, okay, $7.50 per song. What happens when I click this one then? Well, then I just get to this website that many of these offers, they will just send you to another website. And here you then need to give your email and your name. And then they say, then you will send you songs to listen to. They will not. And it's the same with all of these. This is just to get your information. They probably get paid to send you here. And some of the offers will send you to other, offers also. I tried that, clicking others, where my antivirus actually stopped me and blocked me. And you can see this is just where they promote another one. This is actually like a legit platform, but this was a full 1 hour course. It's not that you will get just $10 for that, right? They are just trying to promote something. They don't give any information. They just give exaggerated claim, and then they get paid for sending these leads somewhere where you have no idea what you will actually get there. But can you then actually get paid for these tasks? Let's talk about that next. So when you scroll to the bottom, you can see that you can withdraw your earnings, but you need to complete at least 2 valid offers to request a payout. But I don't know. I haven't done it because the offers that I promote here, it just seems too risky to me, and I don't want to help them make money by taking things or giving my information to sites that looks a little bit suspicious, because the earning claims here, again, I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and something like a site that claims you get $8 for taking a 3-minute survey or $7.50 to listen to a song, I just know that is something you should stay away from. It's exaggerated, and any site that makes claims like that without sharing any more information, you can see there's no more information you can read about it, just a link they share, it's something to stay away from. And there's no more information about the withdrawal. That's another big red flag. Like, how can I get paid? They don't tell you anything until after you have completed offers that they get paid for. And then, I don't know, maybe there will be more requirements. Maybe there will be something else. Maybe you will not even get your money. I can't say. I can just say it's not worth the risk. I don't want to support sites that use tricks like this. That's my opinion. And especially because this, like any site that keeps the withdrawal options hidden until after you started earning and making them money, that's just always a big red flag. And they don't have any information. They don't have an FAQ page, help section, where you can ask them anything, or where you can see what the payout options are or anything like that. They just have the front page that I showed you and this page of crappy promotional offers. That's what they have. Even, you see, there are links in the bottom to social media, but there are no links. There's just the logos. There's no information about who's behind, what are they really offering. It's just a complete waste of time, in my opinion. To make it clear, I definitely do not recommend to join Cashident, and many people have asked me about this, and that's why I decided to test it, because I do understand that the earning claims for those paid offers look very appealing, but they are just not realistic, and aside that shows exaggerated earning claims and don't have any information about who's behind and don't show anything about what payout options you have until after you started making them money. No, that's huge red flags. I cannot say for sure what will happen if you complete offers, but based on my experiences after having worked online for years and tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, then this is just full of red flags and something that I would not touch and I would not recommend. But if you've tried it yourself, please feel free to share your experiences below. But if you want to make money, for example, by watching videos, searching, listen to music and more, then you need to join transparent get paid to sites. There you will not earn $1,253 per offer. Sometimes they do have like $100 or so per offer, but that's very rare in general. For example, watching videos, taking service or so, you will not earn that much, but it's a real and fast way to earn. I have a list of the top get paid to sites on my website. I will leave that below. If what you're going for is to create an income of, for example, $1,000+ per day online, that is possible, but not something that will happen by watching videos, searching online, or not really doing anything, just clicking a few buttons. Then you need to create a real online business, put in time and effort, and then eventually you can build that up to become a really good income. Any website that claims that you can just start earning hundreds of thousands of dollars right away when you join, that's something to stay away from. But I do have more information about my top recommended method to build a full-time income online, if that is what you're going for. But that's only if you're actually serious. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Get-rich-quick schemes never work, so just want to make that clear. But I will also leave a link to more information about that below my top recommended option for full-time online income, if that's what you want. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.